So Apple is reportedly planning a significant overhaul for the telephoto camera in the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro. Although the change might look like a downgrade on paper, it could actually enhance real-world photography performance. Renowned leaker Majin Buu claims Apple is replacing the current 12-megapixel telephoto sensor used in the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max with a high-resolution 48-megapixel sensor in the iPhone 17 Pro. This rumor has made rounds before, but Buu introduces a new detail. The updated telephoto lens is expected to feature 3.5 times optical zoom, compared to the 5 times zoom found on the current model. While it seems like a step back in terms of optical reach, the new 85mm equivalent focal length is considered more practical for most users. It's especially well suited for portrait shots in everyday situations, particularly in indoor or tighter environments where longer zoom distances are less usable. The real game changer here is the 48-megapixel sensor. With increased resolution, Apple could leverage digital cropping to replicate longer focal lengths while preserving a higher level of image detail. This concept is already used in the main camera of the iPhone 16 Pro, where a 2x digital crop on its 48-megapixel sensor produces sharp 12-megapixel results with minimal quality loss. By applying this technique to the telephoto lens, Apple could deliver more flexible zoom capabilities without needing to rely solely on extended optical hardware. This shift points to Apple's continued focus on computational photography, combining advanced sensors with intelligent processing to bypass physical hardware limitations. If the leak holds true, the iPhone 17 Pro might offer an improved versatility, especially for capturing portraits, all without sacrificing image quality. Additionally, Buu notes that incorporating a 48-megapixel telephoto lens would align all 3 rear cameras under the same sensor resolution. With the main and ultra-wide cameras already featuring 48-megapixel sensors, this move would mark the iPhone 17 Pro as the first Apple device to include a fully unified triple 48-megapixel camera system. So what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 17 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.